Successful ka na ba? If you are successful, then this video is not for you. But if you want to know how to become successful, then you must watch and finish this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Sobra akong excited sa session na ito kasi pag-uusapan natin S-U-C-C-E-S-S, success, di ba? Give me an S, give me a U, give me a C, give me an E, give me an S, success. Parang cheering squad, di ba? Grabe. Alam nyo, ito lang Sa episode natin na ito, pag-uusapan po natin, how do you measure success? Paano malaman na successful ka sa ginagawa mo? Kaya kung kayo ay interesado, nako, you are in for a treat. Paano kaya minimeasure ang productivity or success ng ibang tao? Ito, they measure it based on the time and effort and hard work they put into it. Nako, grabe sobrang sipag ko, sobrang tiyaga ko, sobrang talagang dedication ko talaga sa work. Talagang araw-araw lumalabas ako, nagbebenta ako, sobrang talaga. Wow! If that is your basis of success, I don't think that is the right measurement. Alam mo, ako na-realize ko, success, it's not how hard you work, it's how much results you produce. Agree or disagree? Type agree sa comment section kung nag-agree ka. Kahit araw-araw nagpa-flyering ka, di ba? Nasa real estate ka, tapos nagsasaturate ka, nagbebenta ka, nagko-call ka. Ang tanong, meron ka bang nako-close? Kung wala ka nako-close, ibig sabihin, wala kang kita, wala kang benta. So, hindi ka talaga successful. Agree? Because the goal in life is not to become busy, but the goal in life is to become productive. May kakilala ba kayo mga tao? Kamusta? Kamusta ka na? Oo, huwag mo ko sa akin. Busy ako. Remember ba? Wala. Busy lang ako. Grabe. So, question. How do we make money? Ito lang. Kung gusto nyo talagang kumita, simple. Is what? The goal is not to work hard. The goal is to work smart. The goal is not only to become busy, the goal is to become productive. The goal is to produce more results. Because more results equivalent to more money. Agree o disagree? Type agree kung nag-agree kayo. Just to give you a perspective, si Elon Musk, ang owner ng Tesla, noong 2022, ang net worth lang niya nasa 200 billion. Lang. Para sa kanya lang yun. Pero alam nyo ba, noong 2023, naging 225 billion. Nagdagdagan siya ng 22.24 billion dollars in 1 year. So, lumalabas siyang average income lang niya na nasa 185 million dollars. That is approximately around 6 million pesos per day lang. 6 million pesos per day lang kinikita. Multiply by the 55, okay, 55, that's around, grabe, 30 plus million a day lang kinikita niya. Hoy, grabe naman talaga. Question, did he work harder? Ito palagay nyo? Nagdagdag siya ng extra 10 hours to 12 hours a day na hindi niya naman kayang gawin? No, he did not work harder. You know what he did? He just worked smarter. Grabe. So, in other words, grabe talaga, no? Kaya nga, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, ngayon nakikinig, who among you wants to double, to increase your income this year? And I want you to pay attention. Ito lang po, ang pakiusap ko lang po sa inyo, Treat this information just like eating a buffet. Okay? Eat what you want, and then yung mga hindi ayaw mo, huwag mong pilitin. So, right now, tanong ko, gusto mo talagang maging successful? You want to get more results in life? Yes or no? If you say yes, sabayan mo ako. Sipag, tiyaga, karunungan, diskarte. Ulitin ko. Sipag, tiyaga, karunungan, at diskarte. 4 things that you need to master. Hindi lang pwedeng sipag at tiyaga. Matagal na tayo masipag, matyaga. Pero may nangyayari ba? Karpintero, masipag. Kargador, matyaga. Pero yun nga, maginawa ba? Kulang Kahit masipag, matyaga ka, pero pag wala kang alam, forever karpintero ka, forever kargador ka. Kahit ako, forever. Ito na mangyayari sa akin. Kailangan matuto tayo mag-upgrade So, how can we upgrade? By not working harder and smarter because we cannot own any more work beyond the 24 hours a day. Mamamatay ka. Diba? Kaya kailangan, you should not only work hard, but you work smart. How do you work smart? Be smart. Learn how to be smart. Paano? Dagdagan mo ang iyong karunungan at diskarte. Tama o mali? Pakitype. Tama o mali? Paano madadagdagan ang karunungan? Simple lang. Learn something new. Alam mo, in reality, kung may mabibili lang karunungan sa Mercury Drugstore, ay nako, dami na bumili ng karunungan. Kung pwede lang bumili ng karunungan sa eskwelahan, I'm saying talagang pagbili mo, download lang sa utak mo, ang dami na bumili nyo. Wala eh. Kailangan talaga, mag-uubos ka talaga ng oras. Katulad na ginagawa ngayon. You're investing time to listen to me, to watch this episode na ito. You have to learn something new. Because in order for us to get something new, we have to learn something new. New input, new output. Old input, old output. If you keep on doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different result, you're called a what? Insane a person. Tayong mga Bisaya, di ba sinasabi natin, buang ka. Buang. So the question right now, do you want to learn something new? Yes or no? If you say yes, how can we get more result? Ito lang, better your skills. Galingan mo. Kung wala kang alam, alamin mo. Kung alam mo na, galingan mo. Kung galingan mo, mas galingan mo pa. Again, the goal is not to work harder. The goal is to work smarter. Again, just like Elon Musk, he did not work harder. He just got smarter. Oh, lalo na atin-atin lang to. Dati wala namang pakialam yan sa mga crypto-crypto. Renewable energy lang eh. Pero bigla na lang sa sobrang niyang influential, kung ano yung sinasabi niya, naniniwala ang tao, ay nako, yumaman na siya sa crypto. Diba? Overnight. Grabe. He just got smarter. Kaya nga tanungin mo sarili mo. Ito lang kung ikaw habang nakikinig ka at nanonood, coach tayo, mag-coach kita. I want you to evaluate yourself right now. Masipag ka ba? Type yes kung masipag ka. Matyaga ka ba? Yes. Question. Kinikita mo ba ang dapat mong kitain sa buhay? Yes or no? Kaya nga, pag kulang, something is broken. Kulang. Probably the way we think, the way we do things. Kaya kailangan friendship, habang nakikinig ka, reality check tayo. You have to change. Because if you refuse to change, you know what will happen? Kung ayaw mo magbago, you will keep on doing the same thing over and over again. Alam mo, parang ano yan eh. Sipag at tiyaga. Kung talagang sipag at tiyaga lang magdadala sa atin sa ginhawa, matagal na tayo maginhawa, matagal na tayo maunlad. Hindi yan sapat. Kailangang dagdagan natin ang karunungan at diskarte. And unfortunately, para sa mga taong ayaw makinig at ayaw magbago, painful man sabihin, but I need to tell you the truth and the truth will set us free. Either you change or you become extinct. Ayaw mo gumamit ng social media. Ayaw mo matuto ng social media to promote your products and services. Wala na. Everyone's social media. Diba bago ka bumili, anong ginagawa mo? Nagsaswipe ka, nagche-check ka muna sa internet. Lahat, ganun po siya. Kaya nga ang gusto ko malaman kay Sherma Official, diba? Kay Richness, at the same time, shout out din kay Pinky de la Fuente. Oy, open ka ba sa change? Alam mo, the easiest way to lose money is resisting change. That's number 1. Number 2, repeating the same mistakes. Ayaw mo na magbago, inuulit mo pa yung pagkakamali mo. Naalala ko tuloy yung laban ni Manny Pacquiao at ni Juan Marquez. Yung pinaka-last. Naalala nyo, nung na-knockout po si Manny Pacquiao. Natandaan ko, nasa probinsya ako nung nag-walkout ako. Pero nung bandang gabi, nakita ko yung kaibigan ko, pinapanood ulit with so much excitement. Dahil sabi niya, naku, grabe. Ang laki ng pusta ko kay Manny Pacquiao. Sigaw siya na sigaw. Sabi ko, alam mo bang replay na yan? Natalo na siya. Alam sagot sa akin? Oo, alam ko. Malalim mo. Magbago result sa replay. Grabe naman talaga. Natawa ka ba? Kung natawa ka, type tawa. Bakit ayaw niyang magbago? Yun nga. Kasi feeling nga niya. Dadaanan niya sa sipag at tiyaga, babalik sa dati. No. Kung hindi na bumabalik sa dati, kailangan natin magbago. So, ngayon, ang tanong, gusto mo bang talagang madagdagan ang iyong income? Oo, ito na. Gusto mo na talaga, katulad ni Elon Musk, na lumalaki. Again, the goal is not to become busy. The goal is to become productive. The goal is not to work harder. The goal is to work smarter. Okay, kung ready ka na, 3 things lang. Ang gagawin mo, stop, look, and listen.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
I will repeat. Stop, look, and listen. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Napaghalataan na edad ko. When you stop, stop whatever you're doing right now and look back at what worked for you in the past. Okay? Ano ba nag-work sa'yo dati? Di ba? Ito, nag-work sa akin dati to. Question, is it still working right now? Is it still relevant right now? Even sinabi mo, it worked before pero it's not working right now, okay. Anong ginagawa mo? Why are you not changing? Alam mo ba't ayaw mo magbago? Real talk na kita. Because 2 reasons. Number 1, you are afraid of change. And number 2, you are at your comfort zone. Type me in the comment section if you agree. So, guys, ito lang sasabihin ko po sa inyo. Ayaw mo talaga mag-change, ayaw mo talaga magbago. You'll be stuck in that situation. Dahan-dahan mauubos ang pera mo, dahan-dahan mauubos ang ipon mo. Alam mo kailangan mo ngayon? Kailangan mo After you stop, you evaluate, and you know that you need to change. Number 2. Okay, ready ka na? Para makarecover ka. Ready? Type ready if you are ready. Look. Look for new ideas. Look for new strategies. Look for new opportunities. Hanap ka. You do not wait for things to happen, my friend. You make things happen. Pray ka na talaga magkaroon ka ng magandang idea. Pray ka na magkaroon ka ng magandang strategy. Pray ka na may maganda kang opportunity. Grabe. Ang dami niya po ngayon. Opportunity is always out there. All you need to do is just go and get it. Agree? The question that I would like to ask you right now, are you looking or are you just waiting? Always remember there are 3 types of people in the world. The first type of people are people who make things happen. Second, people who wait for things to happen. And third, the people who wondered what happened. Paano ba sila yumaman? Sana if you're given an opportunity, which group do you want to belong to? If you want, say, to make things happen, look, hanap ka na. Kausapin mo na yung mga nag-i-invite sa'yo. I-entertain mo na, tignan mo na. Wala namang masama, di ba? Kung magtatanong ka. Stop. 2, look. Number 3, listen. Listen to the sound of my voice. Then listen. Find someone who can help you. Find someone who can really teach you. Find someone who can guide you. Yun eh. Importante po ngayon, dapat we should listen to the right people. Alam mo, ito lang friendship Didiretsahan niya kita. Alam ko medyo mahaba man itong session na ito, pero it's worth your time. Kung kaya mo ma-solve ang problema mo, matagal man na-solve yan. Matagal man na-ayos yan. Kailangan mo talaga ng tulong. Humingi ka na ng tulong sa mga kaibigan mo. Humingi ka ng tulong sa mga kamag-anak mo. Humingi ka ng tulong sa mga taong mas magagaling po sa inyo. Ito ang promise ko po sa inyo. If you stop whatever you're doing and then evaluate what you need to change and then you look for new opportunities, new ways, and new strategies, and then you listen to the right people and you're open to change, alam mo mangyayari niyan? Magbabago ang financial perspective mo. Magbabago ang resulta sa buhay mo. Dodoble ng kita mo, titriple ng kita mo, quadruple ng kita mo. Kaya I want to challenge you today as we end and close this session. Focus on working hard to working smart. Focus on productivity, not on activity. Focus on becoming better as a person, not bitter and angry as a person. Kaya nga, do you want to become better? Yes. If you want to become better, type yes. Type yes, please, in the comment section. If you want to become better, subscribe on this channel. Why? On this channel, we help solve your money problems. Grabe. Nagustuhan nyo ba tong session natin na ito? Kung nagustuhan nyo, please type gusto. So, ulitin po natin, recap lang po tayo. Okay, anong gagawin nyo po in order for us to double our income? Stop whatever you're doing, di ba? Look at new opportunities, new strategies, di ba? And then listen to the right people. Thank you very much for tuning in and I hope that you are blessed. If you are blessed, type blessed sa session na ito para malaman ko tinapos mo to. And tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.